Sa lumang kanto may mga alaala, tawanan sa bahay parang di nawawala. Kahit iba na ang takbo ng panahon, pag magkakasama, buo pa rin ang kahapon. May mga lakad, may kanya-kanyang daan, pero sa puso, isa pa rin ang tahanan. Home is where the family stays, sa hirap at ginhawa through the days. Kahit saan man mapunta, babalik din sa isa't isa. Kasama ka pa rin sa bawat alaala. Tuloy ang kwento, tuloy ang saya. Tuloy ang kwento, tuloy ang saya. Pamilya forever, hanggang wakas ng buhay. Mga pangarap na dati pinaplano, ngayon ay unti-unting natutupad na totoo. At kung may problema na dumarating, magkakasama pa rin, walang iiwanin. Narinig ko pa rin ng mga tawa, parang kahapon lang ang bawat eksena. And all the years have passed us by, the love remains, it never says goodbye. Home is where the family stays, sa hirap at ginhawa through the days. Kahit saan man mapunta, babalik din sa isa't isa. Kasama ka pa rin sa bawat alaala. Tuloy ang kwento, tuloy ang saya. Home along the rails of time, pamilya forever, hanggang wakas ng buhay.
This is OST Obsession, your daily dose of music. Today you heard an original track inspired by the movie Home Along Da Riles, Da Reunion. The track is called Kasama Ka Pa Rin. More than a reunion, Home Along Da Riles, Da Reunion is a heartfelt continuation of one of the Philippines' most beloved family stories. Years after the passing of family patriarch Kevin Cosma, the Cosma family struggles to preserve the values, love, and unity he left behind. When Bing announces plans to marry her mysterious longtime boyfriend, old tensions resurface, long-buried emotions emerge, and the family is forced to confront change while holding on to the bonds that made him whole. Filled with nostalgia, laughter, and touching moments, the film celebrates family, legacy, forgiveness, and the enduring meaning of home. Home Along Da Riles, Da Reunion was officially released in Philippine cinemas on June 17, 2026. As of now, it is playing in theaters, and no official streaming platform has been announced yet. Some stories end, others become memories that guide us home.